What's up, everybody? Welcome back to part 2 of the C6 build/rebuild. Right now, we're in the stages of rebuilding it. We still have a lot of work to be done to get this thing back to stock condition in order for us to build the crap out of it. It was a little bit of a process, so you guys enjoy the video. Driving to Dallas to pick up the bumper. It's currently 5 o'clock. Should be there in about 2.5 hours, so see you then. The craziest thing just happened. So I went to go pick up the bumper. It was a red bumper. So I get here, I'm talking to the guy, his name's Brandon. Shout out to Brandon, I know you're watching this. I get to talking to him and he shows me a picture of the one that he has on it now. And he showed me, I was like, oh shoot, that's the color I need. I was like, any chance I could give you some more money and I could get that one and I'll help you take it off? We ended up taking it off and bam, we got a blue bumper, so we're gonna save some money repainting. So I'll see you guys at the shop.
3 hours later.
Uh-oh, brothers, we got a problem. Yeah, I'm flat tire. Piece of shit. Bad news is, don't have a jack. I'm gonna try and get the spare tire off. I'm gonna call AAA and let's see if we can get the f out of here. Oh, yes. Oh, it's on top of me. Oh, God. All right. 645 pound, 1 pound each. 645 pound, 1 pound each. Good morning, everybody. We're back at it again with the Corvette rebuild. It's a beautiful day outside. We got Corvette over here and we got a bunch of parts today. We got all of the parts we're gonna need to get it running and driving. So that's gonna be the goal for today. This is what we got. So we have our new trans cooler, we have a new harmonic balancer, and really, that's really it. The rest of this is cosmetic stuff. These are the new lenses for the headlights, so they look better. And then we have the front bumper. We have a couple things that are gonna be on the front bumper that are coming in the mail. But first thing we're gonna need to do is get this new crank bolt on. Bam. Ugh, heavy ass thing. We need to put this on. Technically, there's an oil leak.
We do not care.
We don't fix oil leaks. We just make power right here. We're gonna leave the leaking oil pan. We're gonna put the new harmonic balancer on. We have to lower the subframe in order to do that. So we're gonna lower the subframe a little bit, throw the harmonic balancer on, throw the cooling system in, and get that automatic transmission fluid put in. So let's get to it. All right. The subframe is blocking it. I'll show you guys. So if we go over here and we get our big old crank bolt out of here, this big old chode guy, watch when you try and put it in the hole here. So you try and put it in the hole, but you can't because it's getting blocked by the steering, the rack and pinion right here. We're just gonna have to drop that subframe a little bit. We'll gain the clearance and we'll put that sucker on. All right, so in order for the whole subframe to come down, the suspension has to be detached from the body. So I think we just got a couple screws to pop off, gotta take the wheels off, and then we'll be able to lower the subframe.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
We're going to use the jack to hold it up. Just get enough clearance. That's what you like, and you can do it with your hands. All right. Now, you guys will see some magic. All right, look, that right there, that's all we need. All we need is be able to see that right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Friggin' beautiful, bro. So this gives us a nice open space to put on our balancer. All right, so next, you guys, is this. This is a harmonic balancer. So usually the rubber right here, it'll start peeling apart and then the harmonic balancer would just fall apart. So that's why these break all the time. But when you put these on, you're supposed to use a tool that makes you get them on like perfectly straight. But I don't feel like going to AutoZone and renting it. So we're just gonna do it how we always do it. We're gonna eyeball the f out of it.
Moments later, we see that same tire.
Oh, look at this. I can even roll in here. All right. You know what, guys? I'm gonna go to the store and get the tool. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. We got our harmonic balancer installer and our vacuum and AC gauges. So we'll be able to fix AC and install our balancer correctly. What they was saying is it might be too deep. Oh, so you still want the blocky, huh? All right. Ah, you bitch. All right, so we basically rented this tool for no reason. We just have to do it the old-fashioned way. She ain't going nowhere, boys. So now we can put the subframe back up and then we'll go from there. All right, so as of right now, we hooked up our transmission lines, we hooked up our AC lines, we hooked up our coolant lines, we hooked up our fan. So what's remaining is our belts. So we have to do our belts, we have to put our intake in, we have to put our plastic panels in as well. And then we have to do our oil change and transmission fluid fill up. And then we should be ready to start it.
Tomorrow.
Good morning. We're here. We're at the shop. We got some taquitos for breakfast. I'm eating them. Got a Red Bull too. And then we're gonna get this thing running today. Woo! So first things first, we need to get it all on even jack stands because we're gonna fill up the transmission. We'll do the oil change real quick. Pretty straightforward. Oil change is done. Now we just got to put the transmission fluid in there. I'll show you guys real quick and then I'm gonna put you guys up until it's done. So there's our transmission right there. That's the overflow plug. So there's a plug up here. You guys can't see it because it's dark up there. But there's a plug that's a filler plug and you put it in there. You let the car run for a little bit and then this will be your overflow. So I'm gonna put a couple quarts in there and then get the car running and whatever comes out of there is extra. We're done putting transmission fluid in, oil's in. So now we should be about ready to start it. I'm gonna go get a couple gallons of water to put in here. Now I'll have to watch it, make sure I keep topping it off because of air bubbles in the system and everything. And then we'll get the truck, we'll hook up the truck to the battery. Yeah, and then we'll be able to see if it runs and drives and stuff. It's awesome, awesome. Gotta fill that. And we'll put some in here too, just in case we need some more. Come here. Oh. We got the key right here. Let's check if we got any flash. Nothing, nothing. I'm gonna go see if we have anything inside. Oh, we have red light. Hey, we have accessory mode is on. All right, door's working. It's good news. All right, we're gonna go ahead and try and give her a start. You guys ready? Let's go. Okay, that was weird. 3, 2, 1. Oh God, what is that? It's not stopping. Okay, it stopped. Is the engine locked up? Maybe it just needs to keep charging.
A few moments later.
All right, we're gonna give it another try. In 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, baby. Woo! We got good oil pressure. Coolant is good, battery is good, gas is good, idle is good. No lights. Get me out of here. Oh, fuck. Belt's on up here. AC compressor belt is on. We got a freaking running Corvette, baby. Let's go. Dude, it's so quiet, bro. It's stock Corvette is so quiet. Something. Look how straight that harmonic balancer's spinning, by the way. Little tiny wobble, but hey, for no harmonic balancer tool, that's perfect. All right, boys, so as of right now, we have the coolant level check is done, and now we're gonna throw the tires on. We're gonna do a little test drive to see if it runs and drives good, see if we have to work on anything else before we start making it look beautiful. So I'm gonna throw the wheels on, and we'll be ready to roll out, baby. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and then we'll give her a test drive. All right, boys, let's get it. Push this thing out. Brakes are working good. Stopping on a dime. Huh, I heard a little crunchiness. Oh, not bad. We're gonna go on the main road and see how it is. Tires also need some air too. 5 PSI ain't gonna do it. So the shifting feels nice, engine feels nice. We're gonna do a pull and see how she does. All right, boys, let's go. Easy on her. All right. Woo! Oh, that felt like a slip. Feels like transit slipping. It feels weird. I don't know if that's the traction control or what. I don't know if it's slipping. It doesn't really feel like it's slipping. Is that it shifting? Maybe I'm just dumb, bro. Maybe it's just shifting fast as fuck.
No.
All right, so the test drive, I would say it didn't go perfect. I'm gonna look back over the footage. It might be normal, it might be not. It's just been a while since I've driven a Corvette. So I don't know if that's normal. I think it might be slipping though. I'm not sure, I don't know. Since the bumper's already off, we're gonna take out the headlight so we can go ahead and start taking the lenses off. We're just waiting for the system to get vacuumed out. Yeah, about 45 minutes and we'll be done. So I just finished recharging the AC system. We're getting nice blowing cold. Feel this. Y'all feel this for you guys. Oh, so freaking cold. It's good. Bueno, very bueno.
The next day.
Starting the day off at Harbor Freight.
We need this. We're getting the cheapest one.
Dang, these are freaking expensive. We're going with this one. All right, we got what we needed. Look at this. 60 bucks just for those two little tools. Today we're gonna get the headlights sorted out and then we're gonna get a car wash in and then we'll be done with the video. So you guys stay tuned. So basically, I've done this before and there's a lot of ways to do it. You can put them in the oven, which it makes your house smell. So I didn't end up doing that. Easiest way for me to do it was to cut the lenses on the outside and then you kind of peel them up. But that's why we bought the Dremel. So we're gonna cut the outline and it'll be easier to just rip up. So we did all of it and this is the only damage we did. It's not horrible. But yeah, now it'll be a lot easier to just peel this up. Like you can just peel this section up, peel this section, and it won't fight you as much. So that's why I do it. And you could also cut these right here to where you don't have to like push this apart. We got it off. Heck yeah, boys. All right, so that took a little bit and I forgot about these screws. So there's 1, 2, 3 screws. Gotta undo these or it'll snap off right here. But yeah, boys, don't forget about that. Bam, look at that, all done. Now we're ready to put them back on the car. All we need to do is put the bumper back on the car. We're gonna put the headlights on the car. We're gonna put the bumper together first. All right, we got a full bumper. Let's go ahead and back the Corvette up and get our finishing touches put on. I'm gonna finish up the bumper. My phone's almost dead, so I'm gonna charge it for a little bit. So I'm gonna give y'all a little transition. 3, 2. Man, looks like it was never even torn apart. We're gonna give this thing a bath and hopefully it fully revives it. I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna call this a W. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. We're here after the car is almost basically done. I took it for a little bit of a drive. I drove it all the way down to Galveston and it did fantastic. The only problems I ran into were, one, the oil pressure sensor went out, so I had 130 oil pressure for about 5 minutes and it was freaking me out. And also the AC started leaking again. That's another problem we have, but that's for the next video. We're gonna fix the rest of our problems, and then we're gonna go ahead and give her a makeover with the polish, because if you guys saw, there was some spots where it wasn't too perfect, so we still have a little bit of work to do on the paint. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'm so glad y'all stuck around to the end. And at this point, we have hit 4,000 subscribers, which is ridiculous. I can't thank y'all enough. Just thank you guys for watching, subscribing, and everything. God bless y'all, and we'll see you in the next one.